ये है दो saviors from the Select City bomb blast की दास्तान. And let's start. Action. Select City में bomb blast हो गया. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Select City में bomb blast हो गया. Nushri, can you believe it?
No, I can't. We were there in it and एकदम से भागने लग गए. We were
I
watching
know.
a movie there.
I know. Love and Kush.
Can you believe it?
Love and Kush, save us. And save us.
And we were supposed to go for Eat, Pray, Love.
What the shit? And yeah, so as I was saying, देखो इस monitor का light भी चला गया. Oh, अब light आ गया.
और सोचो Select City, it's such a commercial mall.
Out of all the places, Select can't be. It's so depressing.
So depressing, we just ran out.
I know. It just zoom. Just run out.
Actually, no. I'm just still home.
Just look at. I'm still,
Shivering.
I know. It's so scary. I mean,
But the experience was just amazing.
I mean, देखो हर जगह हो गए fire.
And those ashes.
And all those brands like promote and
Mango.
and there's so many others and what happened जो सारे पाँच के chocolates थे I mean सब कितने बुरी तरह से burn down हो गए होंगे.
And लोग तो एक भी नहीं मरा. Everybody came out.
I know. What's the sadness in a bomb without people dead?
Actually, it was so scary.
Who was the frickin' person who prank on Select City?
Osama bin Laden or Dawood Ibrahim?
This is Osama bin Laden. This is
Dawood Ibrahim.
and we are two biggest prankers. By the way, Select City में ना कभी bomb blast हुआ था
ना कभी होएगा.
And this was just a wild guess. So take a chill pill, sit back, sip some Pepsi, and enjoy.
Bye.
Till then, Rupan, Sharon, and Nushri, that's Osama bin Laden and
Dawood Ibrahim.
will sign out! Oh, by the way, don't take any of this seriously because if you do, we'll be down to the police and that's not fair!